Oh, have you ever bought one of these only for it to end up wilting and dying after just a week, leaving you with a piece of plastic waste and some dead herbs?
Maybe you've tried to grow your own with one of these and felt like a fool after it's wilted and died after a week.
The solution is to grow your own food, but in our busy modern lives, people don't have the time or the skills to maintain a productive food garden.
Our insight was to use LED grow lights to mimic the wavelength of light that plants need to grow, as well as hydroponic nutrients which contain all the essential elements needed for plant growth. Then we bundle them together with smart features like automatic light timers and pumps, which minimize the work needed to grow your own food.
Hydroponics uses 20 times less water than conventional soil gardening. Imagine only needing to water your plants once a month. All you need to do is add seeds, add water and nutrients, and turn the light on, and your plants will grow themselves. Since launching, we've introduced a whole range of new products to enable people to grow more types of food in more ways and more places. We see a world where in the face of the shrinking backyard and busy modern lifestyle, people are growing and eating their own food, and in doing so, reconnecting with nature.